Good morning from Jamaica. We are up and early this morning. What in the world was that? Heading to breakfast. We only have 10 minutes to eat breakfast and meet at the lobby for our excursion because we are going tubing. We are going tubing. So, guys, hurry up if you actually want to eat breakfast this morning. You got to speed walk. He's the only person who's not hungry because he's not speed walking. Look at that beautiful blue water. Jamaica's beautiful, y'all. What are you getting, baby?
Brown stewed chicken.
Brown stewed chicken for breakfast? Okay. We came out for some more what?
Stew. Brown stewed chicken.
Liver, rice, veggies, yum.
Let's see what everyone is having for breakfast today. Nyanyax is having eggs, bacon, and egg. Wow. Sheena's having waffles.
Okay. Bacon and a hot sauce.
And Aiden's having
Rice and brown stewed chicken.
rice and brown stew chicken. And Sean's having
potatoes and sausages.
and a donut that's on the table.
He's not eating it because he's a cow.
Yeah. Thank you.
Go ahead.
Hi, Aiden. Nyanyax. Hey, Shayna. Where's Sean? I don't see him. Oh, hey, babe.
The most wet.
Who said no? Who wanted
You're getting the most wet.
Who wanted to
Yeah.
Majority wins the vote for a wet tour.
It's raining.
What?
No, what I thought was gonna happen. No. What is the wet tour?
What?
Or the water feet wet.
He's asleep.
Wiggle. Hey guys, that's food for lost. Y'all know we're going.
No, man.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Am I cross? I know you're too wide.
There's no floor. There's no floor.
Fine with me.
That guy don't take his medication this morning.
What is it, Riddle? What is in front of a woman and behind a cow?
What are you doing?
I can't figure out the answer. He hasn't told us yet.
Y'all give up?
Yes, we give up.
It's a W. W.
Lunchtime. Jerk chicken, rice, and peas.